tanggalin yung links? Can you clarify? Sabi niyo kanina kay Senator Marcoleta, may order na kayo na tanggalin yung links.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, hindi sumusunod sa inyo. Do you have GCash?
Yes, Your Honor.
I-open nyo yung GCash mo ngayon. Nandiyan pa huli yung link.
We gave them 48 hours,
So-
Your Honor, to take down the links.
When did you order, Deputy Governor?
Today, Your Honor.
Today lang kayo nag-order. Kasi may hearing today.
Your Honor, if I may.
Hindi, kasi ang sagot nyo kay Senator Marcoleta, kulang na lang pumalakpak ako eh. Papalakpak kasi dapat talaga ako kasi at least umaksyon kayo kaagad. Kasi yung governor nyo, ang ganda ng statement, dapat daw mahigpit. Pero wala namang aksyon. You know, I will stop there, Deputy Governor. But be very clear here kasi hindi lokohan tong hearing na to eh. 'Di ba? Sana sinabi yung kanina, sir, it took us time and everything, but we're giving them 48 hours. Eh sinabi nyo hindi, you ordered them na eh. Pag binuksan mo ngayon, meron eh. Hindi po ba? Seryoso, pinag-uusapan natin eh. Lokohan ba to? Okay, so 48 hours makakaasa kami na tanggal na lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why do they need 48 hours? Isn't that instant naman? DICT, pag sinabi ko today, tanggalin nyo yan, hindi kaya ng technical ng mga e-wallets yun? So ano, balato muna, 2 more days?
With the permission of our Secretary, Mr. Chair.
Yes or no lang, sir?
Yes, it can be done right away, Mr. Chair.
So sir, why do we give them 48 hours pa? Customer.
Senator Cayetano, balikan ko lang po si BSP. Kailan mo magtatapos itong 48 hours?
It starts from today. Your
Kailangan po matatapos. Anong araw po yan?
That's 2 days for Saturday, Your Honor.
Sa Saturday. So sa Saturday, ina-expect natin na committee na ito na wala ng games dyan sa e-wallet na yan.
By end of Saturday.
Sa Saturday.
Opo.
Anong oras po sa Saturday? Umaga, tanghali, gabi?
48 hours po, so we give them until the end of Saturday to remove.
End of the Saturday. So ibig sabihin, sige, pagbibigyan kita, Sunday morning, hindi ko na makita yung games sa mga e-wallets.
Opo, wala na po.
Pag may nakikita po ako, iko-contempt kita. Pwede po. Para malinaw po tayo, hindi yung, sabi nga ni Senator Cayetano, wag mo ninyo biro-biruin na komite na ito. We have a problem. We have a crisis. Hindi po ito basta-basta. We are facing crisis, Mr. BSP, sir. And when you say, Saturday po, huling oras na Saturday, sige, pagbibigyan kita hanggang Sunday. Pag Sunday morning, meron pa pong mga games sa mga e-wallet, sir, iko-contempt ka namin.
Yes, Your Honor. And we'll also take, we will sanction also the concerned BSP.
Mr. Chairman, if I may, Mr. Chairman, if I may, just very short, Mr. Chairman.
Right.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would respectfully object, Mr. Chairman, to that statements made by Central Bank in saying that they need time 48 hours to take it down, while we heard from ASEC Paraiso a while ago that they can do it right away. I just don't get it, Mr. Chairman. Forgive me, Your Honors, my dear colleagues. It is not acceptable yung answer bakit kailangan ng 48 hours. We wanted to protect the public eh. Namamatay na nga yung mga tao eh. Numbers don't lie. These facts, these reports, ang dami pang hindi nare-report, Mr. Chairman. Kausap ko lang yung isang governor sa isang probinsya dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya, halos araw-araw may nagpapakamatay dito, pare. Bakit di natin ma-stop? Again, Mr. Chairman, I'm really sorry. It is not acceptable yung binibigay na sagot kung bakit hindi natin mai sara ngayon kung kaya naman.